Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Web Portal United States. Today job update came from DuPont Company. They are recruiting for the post of Manufacturing Technology Engineer in California of United States. Watch this video till end. I will tell you the entire job information and what are the job responsibility and how you can apply for this job. If you are watching this channel first time, then subscribe to this channel to get the upcoming job information immediately. If you want upcoming job information ASAP, then type jobwebportal.com on Google to get upcoming job information. Let's get started. If we talk about job responsibility, you will have to track yield, TEEP and OEE performance. You will have to work with improvement engineers to develop and implement. You will have to lead troubleshooting and root cause analysis for routine production and common deviations. You will have to assist with design of solutions to improve processes and responsible for implementation. You will have to monitors operations and recognizes when it is not in control and understands the steps needed to address. You will have to lead production-related quality investigations and assists in implementation of quality improvements. You will have to approve changes to SOX with technical management. You will have to lead production-related quality investigations and assists in implementation of quality improvements. You will have to identify and implement incremental safety and productivity improvements. You will have to provide technical support of new product scale-ups post-manufacturing functional review. You will have to participate in basic data development and executes activities related to small capital projects. You will have to provide manufacturing technology input into PCF projects prior to scale-up of new products. If we talk about the qualification and experience, you need to have a technical degree, BS, MS, or PhD, in engineering, chemistry or related science discipline. Chemical engineering or mechanical degree is preferred. You need to have a minimum of 2 years of industrial plant experience with exposure to PSM. You need to have a demonstrated ability to apply technical knowledge to diagnose, troubleshoot, solve, or help others solve equipment and/or process issues. You need to have a demonstrated knowledge of key PSM technology elements such as process hazards analysis, process technology, management of change technology, among others. You need to have a demonstrated ability to train others and work in a team-based environment. You need to have a demonstrated ability to plan, prioritize, and manage multiple, complex, time-sensitive projects. You need to have a demonstrated skill in leadership, team building and achieving results through influence and negotiation. Link is in description. You can apply directly if you want. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below. I will meet you in the next video with the next job update. Till then, goodbye.